Metsa Tanks is a tank manufacturer located in Monterrey, Mexico. We've been in business for 42 years. We manufacture new tanks and ship them throughout all of North America. Tank manufacture is kind of the backbone of the industry, and not only are we manufacturers for companies in need of tanks, but our team actually plays an active role in the industry. A lot of us occupy leadership roles in the various associations, national and local and regional as well. So we not only try to be good citizens in the sense of supplying tanks, high quality products, but also to further the goals of propane in general. So we're really showcasing is our underground tanks. We've decommoditized that in a way where our underground polydome is spacious enough to be able to make an install as easy as possible, get that full wrench turn instead of trying to work around a smaller working space. It also allows for ease of installation of monitors and technology within the dome. Now, that being said, we do offer, in partnership with Mapika Products, the Cathodic Sentinel Plus pre-installed in the tank. Right now we are adding that in completely equipped and ready to go. So when you bury the tank, the only thing you have to do is scan it and be ready to go. No additional install needed. Of course, the number one topic is tariffs. I've got a master's and doctorate in tariffs this past 7 months. I think it's a concern that people have, yet I think in general we've been able to navigate those waters and keep our customers supplied and without a backbreaking ROI. So I think we're navigating that well.